Hi guys, and welcome back to Pennsylvania. Check out this cool place, Cordorus Furnace. Erected in 1765 by William Bennett, operated by James Smith, signer of the Declaration of Independence during the Revolutionary War. This site is the oldest remaining landmark of the iron industry in York County. It's huge. So this was used to make all sorts of things, including, and most notably, shot for the Revolutionary War. So it would have been farming products that needed metal, cannonballs, cannons, anything. So this bad boy was responsible for arming a lot of the Union Army. It's very cool that it's still here and remains. I found this, which is a piece of ore that's left down by the river where we'll check out then. And then see it. And in here you're not supposed to go in, but I'll show. That's a little hole. It's totally filled with dirt in there. So this place had a bridge going up top, and it extended that way, where the ore and stuff could be loaded into the top of the furnace up there. And then it also had an extension that went to the river over here, which had a water wheel, which powered the furnace. 1765, so this thing is 260 years old. Still looks pretty dang good and strong. Looks like they have it wrapped with iron to keep it from coming apart. I'm not sure if that was done back then or at a later time to keep it safe. And then there's a Boy Scout project to help restore this place and keep it more accessible to the ruins that are up here. We'll check out. Imagine a bridge that extended right up here. So this is where people came to load the furnace from the top. So, Eagle Scout project by Matthew McKinney, Troop 94, Shiloh, PA. Thank you. Nice job. Not too much to see up here, but show what's around. You got some wall over there. You got some wall over here. I'm not sure if this was some sort of building or support for the road that came down. It's hard to say. Maybe if somebody knows, they can comment down below. Looks like it turns to the right over there, so it could have been a holding area for the ore. Brought all the ore and set it here, so then it could be loaded right there. Some sort of building was. The craftsmanship always amazes me. Look at all the different sizes of rocks they used, and they made a pretty perfectly square structure that stood for close to 260 years. Incredible. All right, so I'm assuming this was where they kept the ore. Very cool. Now I'll see you back down. So now we're back down below. Very cool. So now we're gonna travel across and we're gonna see where this is. We're gonna try to find this, because this is down on the river right here somewhere. And we'll check it out. Nice piece of quartz. Okay, so this looks like right where a water wheel would have been. Right now the water level is pretty low, and this obviously wouldn't work for a water wheel, but it seems to me like the water wheel should have been somewhere right where I'm standing. And I see some stone. Can't tell if that's natural. But the water wheel would have been connected to the furnace up there, came down here, and been in the water more than likely right over there. Because it looks like the pipes have a pretty direct shot straight down to the river here. So it looks like the pipes point straight over here. The pipes coming out of the top of the furnace are pointing directly to this spot right here. See if I can see any old signs. Too much left. Was 260 years ago, and it was all about this, all about making farming tools, wartime ammunition and tools, guns, about building this country. This country was built on iron, steel, and what a cool spot to visit and talk about the history of this country in the early revolutionary days. Thank you for joining me, and if you enjoyed, like and subscribe. Come back for the next one. Check it out. As always, get out there and explore and enjoy your day. Thanks for watching.